Atal Bihari Vajpayee, in his time, would have reached out to Mamata Banerjee, as he did indeed, and co-opted TMC into his alliance. The BJP does not believe in building alliances. It does not believe in building consensus. It believes in conquering and crushing its enemy. And everyone who does stand up against the BJP in an election is considered to be an enemy and has to be vanquished, has to be crushed. This is a very funny attitude to have in a democracy. Look at the present regime of BJP 7 years. You'll find that they have played havoc with democratic values in this country. And that is why, in order to protect and preserve and safeguard our democracy, it is very important for each one of us who believes in democracy in India to stand up and help whichever force we can help to defeat these undemocratic forces. This is what has prompted me to take the decision which I took. Industrialization or job creation has to be a joint effort of the Government of India as well as the state government. Because there are many areas where the control is directly with the state government, with the central government, and not with the state government. When Mr. Vajpayee was the Prime Minister, and we started, as you'll recall, many infrastructure projects, including national highway projects and the rural road projects, the housing projects that we gave encouragement in the private sector, which created enormous job opportunities. Now, where is any kind of that kind of program anywhere to be seen today? The Government of India is not playing its role. State governments alone, short as they are of resources, will not be able to create all this. They will play some role, but not the kind of major role which the central government can do.
BJP is starved of leadership in Bengal. They don't have any prominent leaders who are known across the length and breadth of Bengal. So what do they do in such a situation? They project Modi and Shah as the leaders and say, look at our faces and vote for BJP. Now Modi and Shah are not going to head the Bengal government, and they are outsiders in Bengal. Yesterday I told them that I am also an outsider in Bengal, but I have not come to promote my leadership. I have come to support a Bengali leadership, an indigenous Bengali leadership. But what the BJP is doing is, instead of promoting their own local leadership, they're only saying, look at the face of Modi, look at the face of Shah, and vote. This is not something which is going to cut eyes with the people of Bengal or anywhere else for that matter.